How to fix Facebook connection lost. Today guys, I'm gonna show you the correct way and the easy way how to do this. Just follow this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings of your phone, and when it's opening guys, just you will go directly to apps, and on apps now you have to search for Facebook application. And when you found it, just open it like this and go to storage. Then on storage you have to go to the bottom of the screen and clear data, then click OK, and that's it. Your problem will fixed. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.